plan for a future stadium just west of the Strip. Team President Dave Chappell says the MLB's January 2024 deadline to finalize the stadium deal is the ultimate reason why a proposal for a new stadium in Oakland fell through.
We spent 6 years, over $100 million investing in trying to make our unbelievable waterfront plan a reality. But the challenge is the timeline. You know, the earliest that this can come to fruition is 6 or 7 more years away. And with the condition of where we play now, that's a very challenging proposition.
Oakland Mayor Shane Tao not too happy on Thursday. She said the city and team made significant strides to close the deal in the past 3 months, but the A's walked away in the middle of negotiations. She thinks they never genuinely wanted to stay in Oakland and were just using the process to get a better deal out of Las Vegas. That was a quick look at the latest news. I'm Daniel Martindale.
Now, Sacramento traffic. Overnight work on Highway 99. Reduced lanes northbound Stockton Boulevard to Broadway until 5 a.m. The northbound Fruit Ridge Road on-ramp is closed until 5, along with the northbound 99 Fruit Ridge Road off-ramp. Eastbound Cap City Freeway, the Arden Way on-ramp, full closure for core drilling until 4 a.m. Also, eastbound Cap City Freeway, Highway 160 to West El Camino, reduced lanes for core drilling until 4 a.m. And if your travels take you up into the Sierra overnight, we've still got a couple of rest areas closed for a long-term sewer problem. 80 east and westbound Gold Run rest areas remain closed. From the KFBK Traffic Center, traffic on the Thames every 10 minutes mornings and afternoons. KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM. Now, Sacramento weather.
Mostly clear tonight, low 48 to 52. Mostly sunny and very warm tomorrow, the high 82 to 86. Partly sunny Saturday, high 83 to 87. I'm AccuWeather's Kerry Schwindenhammer on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Hi there, it's Pat Walsh. You know, if your house is outdated or needs some work done, talk to Bridgehaven Homes. They are different, and they'll buy your home as is and give you a fair, all-cash offer for your home instantly. If you have a rental property damaged by tenants, talk to Bridgehaven Homes. If you've inherited property, needs extensive repairs, talk to Bridgehaven Homes. Tell them what you have going on. The main reason people sell to Bridgehaven Homes is because of how easy the process is. They buy your house in its current condition. You don't have to repair anything. You don't have to clean anything. Talk to Bridgehaven Homes, 916-545-2500, or go to bridgehavenhomes.com.
What do fans of country music and exclusive deals have in common? A chance to rock out with country's biggest superstars. Get this month's Valtech Blue envelope for your chance to win a trip to the iHeart Country Festival. Scan the QR code to stream an iHeart Country station. Then listen for details on how to enter the sweepstakes. You can win $100 instantly just by opening your envelope. Head to your mailbox to learn more today. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. See specially marked Valtech envelopes or Valtech.com for details.
Senior project manager needed at Gessett Concrete in Sacramento, California. Must have bachelor's in construction management, construction science, civil engineering, or closely related field, and 3 years of professional experience in the structural concrete industry, working in project management, project engineering, or project planning, including at least 1 year of professional experience working in tilt-up concrete construction. Salary $120,000 to $192,000. To apply, email resumes to delia@gassettconcrete.com.
There's one place you gotta stop on your way home. It's got everything you need.
The KFBK Afternoon News with Kenny O'Neill. KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
After serving in the military, life like an endless smoke. The cycle never stops. You're not alone. Visit MakeTheConnection.net to learn more.
KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
to George Norrie, call the wildcard line at 818-501-4109. The first-time caller line is 818-501-4721. To talk toll-free from east of the Rockies, call 800-825-5033. From west of the Rockies toll-free, call 800-618-8255. To reach George via Skype, use Skype name George97313. Send George a text message anytime at 818-298-6521. This is Coast to Coast AM with George Norrie.
Next hour, Sarah Scholes joins us for work. They are already here. UFO culture and why we see saucers. Looking forward to that. We're going to come back in a moment with Joe and Amy Alton and take final calls as we talk about their incredible work called the Survival Medicine Handbook. Have you signed up yet to become a Coast Insider? What a great deal at 15 cents a day.
Hi, this is Angelina in Redondo Beach, and I love being a coast-to-coast insider because I can tune in at any time of day.
Hi, I'm Julio from Slidell, Louisiana, and I really like being an insider because of all the interesting information.
Hi, this is Ariel from San Diego, California, and I love being a Coast Insider because I can listen to any show, anytime, anywhere, if I'm in the garden or in the kitchen, taking a walk on the beach, and there's no more sleepless nights for me. It's amazing. Give it a try.
Do give it a try. There are a couple ways you can sign up to become a Coast Insider. One is our website, coasttocoastam.com. Right at the top of the homepage, it says Insider. Click that, fill out the information, and you're in. The other way is to download our Coast to Coast AM app. You should all do that anyway. It's free to your phone. And when you have the app, click Profiles, then Subscriptions, and you can sign up that way. And Coast Insider memberships at 15 cents a day, now available if you live in Canada and worldwide as well. Now here's something to help you relax.
HealthyLooking.com has a combination of products to help with everyday stress, fatigue, and moodiness, while increasing energy and stamina, plus help to fall asleep easier and more soundly while losing weight. Take Elevate in the morning for energy and focus, then Accelerate weight management and sleep combo before bed for a great full night's sleep.
I've maybe gotten 4 to 5 hours of sleep max a night. I'm sleeping between 6 and 7. I wake up, need to go bathroom, but I go right back to sleep, which has never happened before, which is pretty awesome.
I noticed a higher level of happiness. I also noticed that I wasn't taking naps. I had more energy. I was more in the moment with my kids. Like, we were laughing more. We were more excited. Every single person needs to feel this.
I lost 10 pounds and 5.5 inches off my waist, and I'm so proud of myself. And it gives you energy. It helps you sleep better. It just works. I stand by it 100%. I would find a handful of medications to help me sleep.
When I'm ready to go to sleep, I'm getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. I've lost some pounds, inches mainly. My family has made it back.
Get George's Power Pack, Accelerate, and Elevate, including free gift Be Slim for safer weight maintenance. Plus, free shipping with promo code George. Accelerate, Elevate, free gift Be Slim, and now free shipping for one exclusive special price with George's Power Pack. Order now at HealthyLooking.com or toll free 800-394-9930. That's 800-394-9930. Jump on board now for better focus, less stress, a great full night's sleep, and weight loss with George's Power Pack exclusively at HealthyLooking.com. That's HealthyLooking.com.
Have you ever wondered if we're alone in our vast universe? Marvelous Entertainment questions that. They've released the newest in science fiction that specifically deals with this question. Marvin Sunderland is the certified film director, science fiction genius, and the person behind the incredible series of novels, 7 novel masterpiece, bringing out the best of your imagination. Journey with his superstar of his novels, Sergeant Waggett, who is searching for a crashed alien spaceship, and he stumbles into an alien invasion. Brace yourself about this war in the underworld. Sergeant Waggett promises to take your imagination to simply marvelous heights. Get 20% off the entire 7-novel series and all future graphic novels when you enter coupon code Coast to Coast, all lowercase, at marvelous.com. That's marvelous.com. Let me spell it for you. MarValeous.com.
Real people, real stories.
I have bruising that's all over my arms. 3 weeks after I was on the carnivore, I noticed, I'm looking at my arms, and I said, gee, I don't have any bruises on my arms, and I'm always full of bruises. I can't put my finger on it, but I know something's happening. I have to tell you, that has to be the carnivore.
I've got a Labrador. She can hardly lift herself up off the floor. I won't tell you what the veterinarian said, but the treatment was chemotherapy. And